Oh wow, wow, look at that, the avocado. One side we've got the avocado, and then the other side we've got the pan fried. So it's a simple process, everyone. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making a vegan bagel. Yeah, that's right, a vegan bagel. And what we're going to be using, we're going to be using avocado, red onions, cherry tomatoes, green pepper, and also we're going to be using the garlic, everybody. So our good vibes. Our pan is here, getting hot right now, so we're going to add our ingredients. It's a very quick and simple lunch, breakfast, whatever you want to use it for, everyone, to start your day, boost your day with this one. The most amazing way to start your day. Fabulous day, fabulous afternoon, fabulous lunch. This is the one, everyone. Vegan friendly, vegetarian. Yes man, our good vibes. You need to have this one here to boost up your day and have a very good, fantastic day with this meal here, everyone. Look at the ingredients. Garlic is there and it's carrying its elements. The red onions is there, it's got its purpose. The peppers are there, they have purpose also. The cherry tomatoes, we've got something here that's adding a lot of protein to your body, which is the avocado. Our good vibes. Yes, everybody, you know where we're there. We're right in season 6 and our good vibes. Look at this one. Boy. Alright, so we're just going to make these fry up to a nice level, everyone. I'm going to just add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning mix, and that is it. So what we're doing, we're more or less just pan frying our ingredients lightly. We're not trying to cook them out. We're just trying to give it a light fry. So our good vibes. Also guys, if you want to boost up your immunity as well, your immune system, the ingredients that we have here as well, everyone, is good for you. It's good for your health, it's good for your body, it's good for your mind, it's good for your soul. Yes, everybody, and it's also good for your digestive system as well. It's not, there's no meat in there, there's no fish in there. It's all vegan friendly, all plant-based, natural, organic. You see that? Look at that. So all we're going to be doing, we're frying up, then we're going to be toasting our bagel, and then we're going to add the ingredients. Our good vibes. Good vibes. If you like what you see, everyone, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Our good vibes. Alright, so let's just pop our toast into the toaster. Alright, good vibes. This is what we're going to be toasting up. Good vibes. You know what's good about this one as well, everyone? It's almost semi-raw. So we're not trying to cook our ingredients. We're just pan frying so that they're lightly fried. So our good vibes. Yeah man, our good vibes, everyone. So what we're going to do, we're going to be taking out our ingredients in just a second, and then we're just waiting for our toast bagel. Oh, look at that, good vibes, completion. Alright, a simple meal like this can be served up with some lemon juice. Look, I've got some lemon and some grapes at the bottom of our glass. So let's continue to our grand finale, everybody. Good vibes. Oi, nice and toasted, popped out of the toaster. Let's go. Wow, look at that, the avocado. One side we've got the avocado, and then the other side we've got the pan fried vegetables. Amazing. Look at this, everyone. So what we're going to be having this meal with is simple. Look, simple. It's going to just be served up. Look at that, nice, simple, with a glass of lemonade, everyone. So as you can see, the most amazing lunch, breakfast. This is how you start your day. This is what you have for lunch. The most amazing, healthy, vegan lunch, people, yeah? Avocado, pan-fried vegetables with onions, garlic, peppers, cherry tomato. Amazing. Let's close this bad boy up, everyone. Our good vibes. Wow, look at this, look at this, look at this. Let's close up. Ooh. So what we've got here, amazing, man. We've got the avocado there sticking out the side. Let's fix it up. Let's fix up our sandwich. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you very much, everybody that stayed tuned with this episode. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision, everybody. The most amazing bagel ever. Good vibes served up. Woo! Good vibes. Thank you very much, everyone. See you again next time very soon. Gonna tuck in right now. Yeah, man. Thank you. This is what I say all the time. Good vibes. Yeah, man. Good vibes. Thank you very much, everyone. This one's so amazing. Can't believe it. See you again very soon. Pick up yourself.